Introducing the Premium Dental Implant Screwdriver Kit by HasniSurgical, a precision-crafted professional toolset designed for implant placement, restoration, and maintenance procedures. This advanced kit features 8 color-coded screwdrivers: SPI, FRI, NOB, ICX, AST, YNK, ITI, DEN, each engineered for specific implant system. AST, made for Astrotech implant systems, providing exact fit and torque. NOB, designed for Nobel Biocare implants, offering smooth driver engagement. ITI, designed for Strawman/ITI systems with optimal stability. ICX, suitable for ICX implants, ensuring reliable handling and insertion. SPI, used for SPI dental implant systems for secure abutment tightening. FRI, compatible with Friedent implant systems for precise prosthetic connection. DEN, ideal for Dentsply systems for precision prosthetic adjustments. YNK, compatible with ankylosing implants for efficient screw tightening. Each screwdriver is manufactured from high-quality stainless steel with anodized aluminum handles for strength, corrosion resistance, and easy identification. The ergonomic, lightweight design provides comfort, control, and precision during use. Fully autoclavable and reusable, this kit is perfect for dentists, implant specialists, and dental laboratories.